1. And Jesus going up to Jerusalem took the 12 disciples apart in the way, and said unto them, Behold, we go up to Jerusalem, and the Son of Man shall be betrayed unto the chief priests and unto the scribes, and they shall condemn him to death. 3. And shall deliver him to the Gentiles to mock, and to scourge, and to crucify him, and the third day he shall rise again. 4. Then came to him the mother of Zebedee's children with her sons, worshipping him, and desiring a certain thing of him. 5. And he said unto her, What wilt thou? She saith unto him, Grant that these my 2 sons may sit, the one on thy right hand, and the other on the left, in thy kingdom. 6. But Jesus answered and said, Ye know not what ye ask. Are ye able to drink of the cup that I shall drink of, and to be baptized with the baptism that I am baptized with? They say unto him, We are able. 7. And he saith unto them, Ye shall drink indeed of my cup, and be baptized with the baptism that I am baptized with, but to sit on my right hand, and on my left, is not mine to give, but it shall be given to them for whom it is prepared of my Father. 8. And when the 10 heard it, they were moved with indignation against the 2 brethren. 9. But Jesus called them unto him, and said, Ye know that the princes of the Gentiles exercise dominion over them, and they that are great exercise authority upon them. 10. But it shall not be so among you, but whosoever will be great among you, let him be your minister. 11. And whosoever will be chief among you, let him be your servant. 12. Even as the Son of Man came not to be ministered unto, but to minister, and to give his life a ransom for many. 13. And as they departed from Jericho, a great multitude followed him. 14. And behold, 2 blind men sitting by the wayside, when they heard that Jesus passed by, cried out, saying, Have mercy on us, O Lord, thou Son of David. 15. And the multitude rebuked them, because they should hold their peace, but they cried the more, saying, Have mercy on us, O Lord, thou Son of David. 16. And Jesus stood still, and called them, and said, What will ye that I shall do unto you? 17. They say unto him, Lord, that our eyes may be opened. 18. So Jesus had compassion on them, and touched their eyes, and immediately their eyes received sight, and they followed him.